Sellers, what control do you have when you're selling your home? Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. Lately, the real estate market has been very volatile with high mortgage rates, slightly higher inventory while still historically low, and more buyer demand.
So as a seller, what are the 5 things you can control in today's chaotic real estate market? First and foremost, you can control the presentation of your home. This means you can enhance its appeal by decluttering, staging, and making minor repairs. Remember, first impressions really matter and are a key to success. Also, you can control the pricing of your home. Understanding the current conditions in your area will save you from pricing your home too high and not having to drop the price. By researching the market, consulting with local experienced real estate professionals, and setting a competitive yet realistic price, you can attract more buyers and maximize the chance of a successful sale.
You can also control negotiations. As a seller, you can choose how flexible you want to be with negotiations regarding how many offers you receive. By being prepared, staying informed about market trends, and working closely with your local real estate professional, you can negotiate terms that align with your goals and secure the best possible deal.
You can also control timing. As a seller, you can control when you decide to list your home. Typically, listing in a higher peak season, like spring or summer, when buyer activity is higher, will attract more interest and most likely better offers on your home. You can also control the timing of the closing. If a buyer really wants your property, you may be able to negotiate a reduced or free rent back to allow more time to move or to find a replacement property.
Finally, you can control which real estate professional represents you by carefully vetting potential agents to see who has the most skill, experience, marketing abilities, and overall knowledge of the local as well as national market. All this will help you get the best return on your investment.
As a seller, it's important to focus on what you can control than what you can't. And having the right real estate professional on your side will help you through this process. Reach out to us if you'd like more information about what's happening in your area as you get ready to sell.
With nearly 4 decades of experience in local residential real estate, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers. We love guiding you home, and we'll see you on the next video.